is digital marketing? Hey everyone, I'm Paulo Tanuatco, President and CEO of Fortify SEO. Essentially, digital marketing is marketing but executed online. It's an online version of traditional marketing but with more possibilities. There are different avenues to do digital marketing. Let's start with websites. In 2023, approximately 8.5 billion people search Google in a single day, but there are approximately 1.13 billion websites in the internet. So how do you get people to visit your website? There are two ways: SEO and Google Ads. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of optimizing one's website to make it more user and search friendly. Meaning, when people search for a query in Google, it will match your website using keywords. Google Ads also uses keywords to match your website with the search queries, but this time it puts you on the top of the page through pay-per-click advertising. So, to increase your awareness online and to drive people to your website, SEO and Google Ads is the way. Follow Fortify SEO for more.